Hindi tayo perpekto, nagkakamali pa rin tayo, nagkakasala pa rin tayo, but in following Jesus, we started a relationship with the Lord. Hindi lang to acquaintance, palalim na relationship sa ating Panginoon. At si Jesus na ating sinusundan, may misyon. Ibig sabihin kung itong Jesus na ito, na ating sinusundan, at pinaglagakan po natin ang ating buhay ay may misyon, ibig sabihin kung susunod ka sa Kanya, yung misyon niya, misyon mo na rin. Na kung sa mata ng ating Panginoon, lahat ng tao mahalaga, dapat pala lahat ng tao pinapahalagahan din natin because everyone matters to the Lord. Pero hindi lang mahalaga ang lahat kay Lord, pati mga relationships importante sa Diyos. Meron tayong kapasidad na pumili kung sino yung mga taong sasamahan natin. Ibig sabihin, you have the capacity to choose your community. You have the capacity to choose whose person are going to speak life into you. Because you have to be very careful who you surround yourself with. Sino yung mga taong nasa Now, don't get me wrong. We are called to love everybody, but you have to be choosy with your community. You are a product of your community.